Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we will be making muffins. Please follow my social media's links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now on with the video. Ingredients: 100 grams caster sugar, 100 grams softened butter, 1 beaten egg, 100 grams self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon milk. Firstly, add your butter and sugar and mix it until it's combined. Then add some vanilla extract. Next, we need to mix it in. Once you have gave it a good mix, add your egg and mix it in again until it looks like this. The next step is to get a sieve and slowly pour flour into it in stages. Now we have to whisk it till it is all mixed together. So it looks like this. Now add your milk into the mixture and mix it in. Once all mixed in, get a cupcake tray and equally divide it. This part is optional. If you want some chocolate muffins, get a tablespoon of chocolate powder and mix it in. And add another tablespoon of milk. And mix it. Once mixed properly, add it into the rest of the empty spaces of the tin. Now all we have to do is put them into the oven. Here is the final result.